Have you ever had a pair of eyelashes named after you? Me either. Well, until now. I am so excited to announce that my very dear friend, Miss Amber has finally started the launch of her very own business. She's created a brand called Elite Lashes, and she's been so kind to send me a PR package. She's actually launching today, Saturday, August 22nd. So I will drop the link in my bio down below if you guys want to check out her website. I highly encourage you to. I like to support small businesses. I feel like a majority of the time that I find a small business that has dupes or something similar to a well-known brand that I'm used to using, I end up getting a similar product, if not even better, for a way lower price point. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing all of the products that she sent me in my PR package. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into it. Like I said, I have this pretty much opened already, so let's take a peek inside. This is so cute, you guys. Oh, hold on, let me open it. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? So right on top I have a little love letter from her, and here's all the lashes, and I have some necklaces and suckers. Ooh, what kind are these? I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna eat one of these while I'm filming this because I love sugar. Okay, so she has sent me 4 pairs of lashes, 1, 2, 3, 4. I know that she is going to have 10 styles out on the website on launch day. So I'm going to be looking at all 4 of these, but keep in mind that there's tons more on her website, so make sure you take a look. Each one of these I'll give you a close-up view of, but just to go over the names of them, this one is Belle Lashes. These ones are Icy. These ones over here are LOML, Love of My Life Lashes. I love all the names of these lashes. They're so cute. I think it's really well thought out the way that she did this. And then last but not least is 50-80 because it is a Denver, Colorado brand. Represent. And then I have some suckers, and then look, these are nice, you guys. Some lash applicators. Now these are like not plastic, like these are quality. I love that. How nice. I'm sorry, you guys, I just had to take a moment because this is just a special moment for me. I mean, I'm so proud of everything that she's done. She's been working on this so hard for months and months and months, and I'm so happy to see it finally come to fruition for her. And the fact that she named a pair of lashes after me, like, that is just, that's so sweet. Like, that's gonna be there forever. And I just, Amber, if you're watching this, I love you. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in a little bit so that you can watch me try on this pair of Belle Lashes. My very first impression so far, one of my biggest pet peeves with eyelash packaging is that sometimes the brand will have the lash sticking too much to this, and it's almost a struggle to get it off, and sometimes I've ended up actually pulling lashes off of the strip because they're super glued on there so bad. And that did not happen with these. I really like how it was very easy to take these off of the packaging without damaging them, so good job on that. Now I'm just gonna match it up to my eyelid and make sure that I don't need to cut off any excess. Make sure it fits my eye very nice. My eyelids are pretty rounded, so I have to kind of like bend it around to make sure that it'll fit. So this one looks like it's actually going to fit without having to trim it, so let's get into it. So for lash glue, I'm using the Kiss brand Strip Lash Adhesive in clear because I didn't do a black wing, so I kind of want it to be clear on my eyelid so I don't end up smudging black stuff all over my eye. And you know we are using these because these are nice. I actually didn't have a pair of these until now, so thank you. Number one rule with lashes, if you think the adhesive is dry, dry it for 10 more seconds. Did you guys just see how absolutely painless that was? Like, I mean, like, you've seen me put lashes on before. Like, usually I sit here and struggle for a little bit and usually have some, like, weird music going on in the background to, like, distract from the fact that I'm struggling. But I didn't struggle. Like, the lash was so bendable and easily manipulated and maneuvered that, like, I just literally stuck it on my eye and it's, like, perfect. Bam! Let's do the other one. Okay, and there we are. Bam. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I like that she picked these lashes to name after me because these are like totally me. Like, perfect amount of volume, perfect amount of fan. Not too subtle, but not too in your face either. Like, these are the perfect everyday wearable lash, and that's exactly what I'm into when it comes to lashes. The icy lashes, I think I'm really excited for these. That volume is honestly insane. I cannot wait to try these. These look so, so nice. I mean, after these and these, you guys, I didn't even think about that until just now. These are so soft. Like, Lily Lashes who? Never heard of her. But for real, you guys, these are really, really cute. I am going to be posting pictures of all 4 pairs of lashes on my Instagram so that you guys can see those. So feel free to check me out there to see the other 3 lashes, excuse me, on my eyeballs. But these I'm actually like in love with. Okay, it's safe to say I cannot wait to try the rest of these. Amber, I just want to say that congratulations. I mean, you did it. I'm so, so proud of you. I can't wait to see where Elite Lashes goes in the future. I think that this is going to be a really, really great thing. I can't wait to see what's next. I can't wait to see the launch. I can't wait to see the other 6 styles of lashes. I'm so excited and so proud of you and so grateful that you've included me in this journey with you. So thank you all for watching. The link to Elite Lashes will be in the description below, as well as their Instagram handles. Please check out my Instagram where I will be posting pictures of the rest of the lashes. If you want to get your own pair of Elite Lashes, make sure you use my coupon code Beedablle for a discount. Thank you all again for watching and supporting me on my journey. We'll see you next time. Bye.